I've been moving, don't start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful.
Hey guys, I wanted to do this quick makeup tutorial for you with the new BoxyCharm that I just got in the mail. And if you want to try it out and get yours, I will put the link for you in the info box below the video. So first, I'm using the crown brushes that I got in my BoxyCharm to set my foundation and concealer, which I've already applied. So if you want to see my previous tutorial on that, I will link it down below. And I will also link all of the products that I'm using here today in the info box, so just open that up below the video. So after we're done with the contour, I'm going to use the blush that came in my box, and this one is actually from Ofra, which they have the best highlighters. I'm about to use it in a second, you'll see it, but definitely check them out. And I do have a discount code, so I will link that below for you. So as you can see, the Ofra highlighters are definitely popping. They're my favorite. And then Ofra also put a little palette into my BoxyCharm. So it's like an empty magnetic palette that you can put your highlighters into, your eyeshadows, anything that you want to depot and kind of create your own custom palette.
She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my cat and my snowboard. I'm sorry. 93, I even got it tatted on me.
And next, I'm going to use my Cover FX Shimmer Veil, which is a creaseless, weightless cream formula that you can use as a base for your eyeshadows or just as a touch of shimmer on your eyes, your face, your lips, anywhere. And the color that I have here is called Amethyst, so it's actually what drove the entire look. I ended up putting it everywhere. I really loved it, but I really kind of winged it and I was surprised at the results.
Staying true to 303, yeah. I hope one day they see me, yeah. Summer dropping my EP.
Then I just used a bit of eyeshadow to darken up my crease, and then moving on to the brows, I'm filling them in with my Brow from Benefit and then setting them with the gel. So again, I will link all of the products that I'm using down below for you guys. And now I'm going to take my vintage pencil liner that was in my BoxyCharm, and I'm going to tightline and put that on my waterline as well. And this will just sort of add to the look. You know, I was playing around with it. Like I said, I winged the entire look. I was not planning on anything, but it came together quite nicely. And then I also took a bit of dark brown, sort of black eyeshadow and smudged it on my lower lash line, and then put a bit of shimmer underneath of that, so it all just kind of blends together. Then again, I took the same brown and black eyeshadow and put it on my outer V so that it pulls the entire look together.
Don't pull up at 6 a.m. and cuddle with me. You know how I like it.
Now I'm just going to sweep away any fallout and apply mascara.
Guess I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, shit was different with me. God's plan, God's plan.
Now I'm just gonna set my makeup with my setting spray and then move on to the lips. So here I'm using my Pure Cosmetics lip exfoliator, which is amazing. It smells so good and it's made with real sugar, so it's super sweet, and it exfoliates your lips, it smooths them and preps them for your lipstick. So again, I took my shimmer veil and dabbed it on my lips, and then for a bit of shine, I just added some of my Jura Cosmetics gloss, which I do have a code for, so you're welcome to use it for any order on their website. And that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out the down bar for all of the product links.
Only love my cat and my snowboard, I'm sorry. 93.
And I will also link my Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Twitch, my new website where I launched my perfume and some other merch. So don't forget to check it out. It'll all be in the info box. And I will see you guys in my next video.
Line bitches up from the nosebleeds, yeah. God's plan, God's plan. I can't do this on my own, yeah. Here's to me and Team Thoreau, yeah. Holding down Colorado, staying true to 303, yeah. I hope one day Drake see me, yeah. Summer dropping my EP, and still